In my head, I was like, anyone can speak. Okay, cool.
But they fun, they have whatever they want. I'm chatting.
What's wrong?
It's time to sleep, or you guys are busy cuddling here. I told it's night time. Time to sleep.
It's innocent
you guys
convo.
are busy here cuddling. Cuddling like you are glued together.
I will sleep
You
now.
see your children.
We'll sleep now.
Yeah.
I don't know, but it's like that, always. It's like, even us with Jens, you want something that you won't get, even if you get the harder way, you keep it. You understand?
What?
So maybe, like, I'm saying, maybe if you want something, like even...
Say what you want to say, even with me?
Even with you?
Yeah, you said even with...
No, I'm trying to explain it with the hands. When I talk, it's even with, like, the ladies. Maybe they can't accept rejection. So they try by all means to say, is there anything wrong with me? Because I think I'm beautiful, I want to. So they try harder. So for us gents, if you say, okay, maybe no, you can try 2 times, 3 times, and then you can say the time it's time. But for the ladies, it's like, he can't. If he is not seeing me, he's a coward. You understand? So it's that thing. They want to continue.
Going on and on.
Yeah, going on and on and on.
Persistence is key.
To who?
To everybody. Like if you persist in whatever you do, then you win.
It's not like that. If you persist something that's it's not persistible, what are you doing?
It's not persistible.
It's not persistible. You've tried your persistence, your consistency, and then man, when you get to a certain point, you must be like, okay, I was persistent.
Yeah, that's me. That's me right now.
Yeah, right now?
No, I'm saying that's me. It's like me. Like, never mind, I can't explain it. I'm trying.
So if, like, you can see, okay, I've tried my best, and then now
it's not wanted. I need to pee, yo.
Go pee.
I usually don't like to go to the toilet. Yo, I hate the toilet. It's so bad.
But you need to.
No, even at home, I don't like the toilet.
Yeah.
Like, I try by all means to stay away.
Yeah, but you need to. Wait. Did you stretch it?
What?
It's like this.
Oh, no, it's like that. That's the style of it.
Oh, yeah.
Yes.